Hi! Today I'm going to show you how to make the Taiwanese chocolate Castella cake. Texture of the cake is soft and jiggly. Without overly sweetened, the cake is also a good option for a light and healthy dessert. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of many other kinds of yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients now. The full recipe is in description underneath the video. I'm using a 6-inch square baking pan with removable bottom. So I need to wrap the bottom of the pan first with aluminum foil. Line the inside of the baking pan with parchment paper. Preheat the oven to 300 Fahrenheit. Normally, I would preheat the oven a bit higher than the required temperature because when you open the oven door, heat will be lost. Separate the eggs now. Refrigerate the egg whites first. Sift cake flour. Melt the cocoa powder with 35 grams of hot water. Whisk the cocoa powder mixture into a smooth paste. Heat up oil to 70 degrees Celsius under low heat. Pour oil into the cake flour. Whisk into a smooth mixture. Add a quarter teaspoon of salt and mix well. Add 50 grams of cold milk. Whisk well. The mixture will become a little bit thick now. Add egg yolks. Whisk until smooth. Thickness of mixture should not be too runny or too thick. Add the cocoa paste now. Whisk until smooth. Refrigerate the batter for 10 minutes. Beat the cold egg whites at high speed. Add cream of tartar when the egg whites become foamy. Beat at high speed, then add 1/3 sugar. Beat at high speed, then add another 1/3 sugar. Continue to beat at high speed until the egg whites become a bit thick, showing some lines in it. Then you add the rest of sugar. Turn to medium speed now. Beat until the egg whites reach soft peaks, longer soft hooks at the tip when you lift the whisk. Pour 1/3 of the meringue into the cocoa batter. Whisk and fold gently to incorporate while turning the bowl. Pour the mixture into rest of the meringue. Whisk and fold gently to incorporate while turning the bowl again. Pour batter back into the original bowl. Use a spatula to fold from bottom, then cut in center until the batter is fully incorporated. Dab some batter onto the edge of the parchment paper to glue it together. Pour batter into the baking pan now. Tap pan on counter to remove air bubbles. We also use a toothpick to remove the air bubbles as well. Place the baking pan into a bigger pan in the oven. Fill the bigger pan with 1 to 2 cm of warm water. Bake in water bath at 285 Fahrenheit for 60 to 70 minutes. The control of temperature is crucial to ensure a cake without cracks. Do not bake the cake at too high temperature. Do not overbeat the egg whites as well. Let the cake cool down on rack. The soft, moist, and jiggly chocolate Castella cake is ready to serve. Enjoy!